Hey guys, this is Patrick once again, doing another unboxing for you, this time of Bioshock the Collection. As you can see, let that focus here. Show you guys the back. It does include all the DLC, so if you guys are thinking about getting this, it's a good all-in-one package. Alright, let's get into the unboxing. Let me get my key real quick. There we go. Okay, now that that's off, let's open it up. Oh, there's actually a game manual in here. Oh, it's 2 discs. That's interesting. I did not know that. Oh, this is not even a manual. This is just one of those warning things. See? Alright. Put that to the side. So there's the first disc. Says Bioshock 1/Bioshock 2 disc. The other one says Bioshock Infinite disc. Alright guys, this has been Patrick once again. See you next time.